Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. We're gonna make this cuff. I don't really have a name for it. You're gonna need pony beads, some of these beads. You can find them at Joann's. Scissors and a lighter. These I can't fit through the needle, so we're not gonna use the needle today. My pattern is black and white, and I use 24 white and 9 of the black, I believe. Oh wait, I lied. 12. Huh, I can count. Okay, so we're going to start off by putting 3 black beads on and one of these. And we're going to take our string and we're going to go through this black bead, the first one at the top. And then we're going to get we're going to put on 2 black. And we're going to pull that. And we're going to go through this black bead. So we're going to skip one. You know, I'm thinking about it. I think that this would work better if you used a smaller size. Then the string wouldn't show, but this is all I got, so we're going to work with it. We're going to put on 3 black and one of these. And we're going to go through this black bead, and we're going to add 2 black on. Pull that through. Yeah, and it works better if you hold this and then pull the string. And we're going to skip a black. We're going to go through this one. We're going to put on 3 black and one of these clear. And we're going to take our string through this black bead. And we're going to add on 2 black. And we're going to go through this black. So we skipped one. Three black. One of these clear. And we're going to go through this black. We're going to add 2 black. And we're going to go through this black bead. Yeah, you're really going to have to pull on that to get it tight. Putting on 3 black. And one of these clear. We're going to go through this black. We're going to put on 2 black. We're going to go through this black. I'm going to put on 3 black. 1 clear. We're going to go through that black, put on 2 black. Alright, we're at the end here, so we're going to go through this black, and we need to get on the other side, so we're going to go through these 2 white and this black. And I'm going to turn that in. It was like this. I'm going to flip it inside because it's just easier to work on this side like that. Alright, but that's what it should look like so far. We're going to add 3 black, 1 of these clear, and we're going to go through this black. We're going to add 2 black, and we're going to go through this black bead. And grab this clear bead and pull it. We're going to add 3 black, 1 clear, we're going to go through this black. It's so much easier with a needle. I wish I could use it. We're going to add 2 black, pull that tight, and we're going to go through this black bead. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now you're just going to continue that pattern all the way around, and you're always going through this black bead that's sticking out. I'm going to finish that and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm here at the end. I added my last 2 black. I'm going to go through this black bead and this one, and I'm going to tie it off here. Okay, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.